Welcome to the Bass Festival 2018. Sit back, relax and watch as we take you through the Bass experience. The festival was hosted by Rachel Cox and took place in Braziers Park, 55 acres of organic farmland and a beautiful manor house. For festival guests, you have the option of booking a stay at the manor house. Alternatively, glamping or bringing your own campervans or tents to set up in the designated camping spaces. The festival is a hive of activity with lots of different sections. The Shanti Shala and the Yoga Barn host a range of different yoga style classes. The Reggae Dome is for more dance-related classes, Karma Culture for martial arts. There's also Creation Corner, which is popular with the children. Here you can make your own dream catchers, take part in mindful colouring, drum classes and other creative activities. Lastly, Peace and Rainbows, a place to relax your mind, take part in some meditation, relaxation and breathing exercises, as well as gong baths.
I'm Rach and I set up Bass Festival because I really like people to have a nice time in a field with yoga, dance, martial arts, meditation and crafts. It's based around the fact that I wanted a really accessible event for people to come to that wasn't overpriced, that was super inclusive of age, ability, everything like that, background, and it's worked out really well.
I have come from London and I came here with my two children, Ishan, who's 9, and Phoenix, who is 5. And this is our first time here at the Bass Yoga Festival. Came here because I love drum and bass and I love yoga, and it's the perfect fusion. It is super family friendly. Been the most child friendly festival, so my children have been playing at the adventure playground. They've been joining in with the pranayama and the Shakti dance workshops. They've been drinking a lot of smoothies. They've been getting their faces painted and they've been talking to people, and they've just enjoyed being able to share wisdom or play games, doing acro yoga. My eldest son has just been picking people and asking them to do acro yoga with them, and he's loved it.
Within the festival, there's an area known as the Healing Lawn. Here you will find space to completely relax. There are designated spaces where you can get a massage or take part in a healing session, including tribal Reiki. For those of you who do want to take part in more classes, you definitely won't be short of activities. From dance to martial arts, Bass will have you entertained with their back-to-back schedule.
So I was DJing a set with my girlfriend Helen Wodge. I'm a bit of a martial artist, so I've been checking out the martial arts classes. So I did some Jeet Kune Do, which is really good. I did some holistic boxing, which was interesting. And we did a few yoga classes with Rachel, who runs the festival, which is really good.
My background is dance, been teaching contemporary for quite a long time. Claude, my boyfriend, did a dub set and we did a kind of creative yoga flow to that dub set, drawing in little elements of dance. We got really good feedback from our dub yoga flow session, so we'd love to really develop it. We'd love to do it again here next year because this is the birth of it. Yeah, we'll definitely be back. It's so good. And also so many people that you just want to see again. I think there'll be a lot of people coming back next year. Bass is for everyone. So we have people in their 70s coming here, and also pregnant people. And we've also got people who've just got their kids strapped to them, people in recovery for loads of reasons. So in recovery from drugs or from cancer, or they've got MS or ME, or people that are super fit and well, like every type of person, every type of body.
And there's so many different types of events and workshops, but within that there's a lot of space to relax. So some people literally just come to hang out and relax. That's what's quite nice about it. This is the third year of Om & Bass, and we have grown a little bit bigger, but we're not going to ever go big because it's such a nice tight crowd that we have here, and lots of people keep coming back with their kids and the same teachers come back. We just add a few different teachers every year. So this year we've got African yoga, which is immense. We've got sacred warrior dance, which is awesome, African dance. The different yoga teachers, I would say that we've got some really good arm balancing and mixture of yoga and dance. So we've got club yoga as well as the Om & Bass yoga rave, and they're working really well in this environment. People want to come and have a dance as well as do yoga and the martial arts.
Super duper high, super duper high.
The main event is the Om & Bass Shakedown, which takes place at the end of day 2 and is hosted by Rachel. Everyone is welcome to join, regardless of age or ability, and it's a blend of meditative yoga alongside drum and bass. The session takes place in the Reggae Dome, with the option to place your mat inside the tent or outside in the sunshine.
Try a short, energising meditation to some really lovely music, to the Gayatri Mantra. So I invite you to practice any meditation of your choice to this music. Maybe just listen to the music. You can practice mindfulness, just feeling the breeze and feeling the sun and the grass around you, listening to any other sounds. Or you can take a breath practice where when you inhale you feel the energy come into the body and lift you, so you can physically feel the lift through the spine.
The Shakedown acts as an intro to the evening festival. Music is played by selected DJs and everyone is encouraged to unwind and enjoy each other's company. You can sit by the bonfire and enjoy the chilled out vibes. Some people take time to practice their own yoga skills in pairs or groups, or just dance the night away.
Om & Bass Festival 2018, baby!
Music this year has gone next level. So Ed Lewington's the guy for the music. He set up the whole music situation and he's kind of the main DJ on Saturday night as well. He plays roots reggae, but also we've had some incredible DJs this year and the music's taken a little bit more of a centre stage, so it's definitely more of a feature. Great sound system, great DJs, very happy.
It's just an amazing environment. It's super funky. You've got the music, you've got the holistic vibe, and you've got people that are just real. It's not super pretentious at all. It's a really big family of people who love life.
Me, original Deadly Hunter, I was headlining at the Reggae Dome. I think it's a really good vibe. Reggae music and like the yoga go together quite well. I enjoyed it because it was more intimate. A lot of festivals you find that usually you'd have more of a bigger crowd and it's like a taller stage and stuff, but where we were in the Reggae Dome, it was like so much more intimate and the people were there. They gave a really good reaction to the songs that I was singing, and because of the type of people that are here, they're kind of more in tune. So I felt I was kind of delivering the message to the right kind of people.
Pick up yourselves.
The highlight of the festival has been, I think the Shakti dance was amazing, the drum and bass reggae party, family vibes, and the amazing food. My goodness me, and this movie's really good.
Me and Emma have been staying in the camper van, Lucy and her mum have been in the tents, but it's been really nice because the people that we've met have come and just joined in and we've had like dinners together. And
Everyone just feels so open, there's just no judgment. Everyone is just up for just learning, just being, or just finding that place to just completely let themselves go, which has just been incredible.
even if you didn't think you liked doing yoga, even if you just weren't even sure that you were into any of the things, you totally would be by the end of it. and bass. We've smashed it again. I can't wait for next year. And if anyone's thinking of going, definitely do it. It's the best weekend of the year.